Ah, Retinoscopy just optional by Dr. Kiran Kumar.
At the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Partha Biswas sir for giving me this opportunity and respected convener and chair. This is my first talk on AOS podium, so a little bit excited and nervous. So retinoscopy and refraction by a resident is just optional. It's a, because it, so advantages of automated refraction is it's a small learning curve. So very easily everybody can done. Not only a medical person, non-medical person also. If with little bit training, he can do it. And patient satisfaction levels is extremely high when compared to do with a retinoscope, with a streak retinoscope rather than if you do with auto ref, patient satisfaction will be more. And in all age groups, starting from pediatric age group, more than 2.5 years to up to age of 90 years or something, we can do an AR, and it is very fast and accurate with the latest machines available right now in the market. And reproducibility is one of the biggest advantage. So if you do it today or tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if in the same conditions, it will give the same result for the same mission. And we can do it in dim light and both in very light conditions also. Whereas streak retinoscope which is not possible in light conditions, we need a dark room. So it doesn't possible, especially when if you want to do a streak retinoscope in a mass screening camps, it's not possible. But with AR, we can do it in a camps and in office also. It's very much useful. There is no inter-observer variation. If I do, or my colleague do, or my optometrist do, it will give the same result. Whereas in the streak retinoscope, it depends. Inter-observer variation will be there. And now with the available of latest portable auto refs, we can do it in pediatric age group who are not cooperative also. With these advantages, we have auto ref is must in every clinic right now. We see some clinical scenarios. So right eye it is pseudophakic eye with and left eye is a cataract. So if left eye, if cataract is there, it will not give results. That means it will display error. We can directly give prescription based on AR in case of pseudophakic eyes. And is another scenario is a 20 years female who is already using glasses, came for review, and with the reading of AR itself, we can directly give prescription with not much difference from AR to SV. And a 12 years old female with complaining of defective vision and little bit headache while reading. Her vision is 6/9 in both eyes. With the dilated and with the dilatation, cyclopent refraction, we can do an PMT and do fogging, and then we can diagnose the condition as excessive accommodation. And again, this so AR not only for undilated but for both dilated also we can do. And because the main disadvantage of retinoscopy, it has long learning curve. Almost it takes 2 to 3 years for to do good retinoscopy, and even more than that also. It's a time-consuming process. It takes much time. So in a busy OPD, we cannot do like that. And in a small people, we cannot do in retinoscopy, especially in bright conditions. And because I took biology, because I'm afraid of maths, but still retinoscopy is one area where it comes to calculations, plus, minus, distance, drug, age, everything. And there are a lot of inter-observer variations will be there. And only the few limitations is pediatric age group and some cost. There are few conditions like PCO and cataract, and this one is pterygium. We cannot get good with AR, but in such scenarios, and we have to depend upon our previous glasses prescription. And one biggest advantage, I love AR because there is one reading called PD. This is PD, that is called pupillary distance. That is 2 pupillary distance. When I joined my residency, I am not getting binocular single vision. BSV is not there. I am always using single eye. Why? Because all my senior PGs and my colleagues are only, they are having females, and their PD is only 60 to 64. But when I see with that one, I am using always monocular vision in both slit lamp examination and also in microscope. But when I do my own PD, it was 72. So all these days, so PD is coming. So when I switched it to, when I wide open the binoculars and I adjusted the PD for 72, then I got binocular single vision. My performance improved. So I like this here because it gives PD. So
Okay,
take
you are
home message
giving
is
lot
it's a
of
good.
new information, so we can just find out the
So
PD for the
is
female
it good
and
for
the
office
male-
and mass screening and
Male residents or the female? Okay, we don't want it to continue with the same topic. Thank you, sir. You can go ahead. We invite